Welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to discuss about exercise 1.3, that is the next part. First part we already discussed question number 1 and question number 2 that we already discussed in the previous video. In this video I am going to discuss about remaining problem. So now see the third problem. Express the following in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers and q not equal to 0. So first question is 0.6 dash. What is the meaning of dash? That means that number is repeating many times. Here only 6 is repeating one number. Only one number is repeating here. 6 is repeating many times. So we can write 0.6 dash as 0.666. That means that term is repeating many times. That is not having end. That is non-terminating. This term is non-terminating. That is not having end. So what is the next step? Next step, we have to substitute this number that is equal to x. Substitute this term as x. So x is equal to 0.666. Here dot are there. After this, we have to check in this term how many numbers are repeating here. Here only one number is repeating, right? Only 6 is repeating. So if the one number is repeating, then we have to multiply this equation number 1 by 10. If two numbers is repeating like 4 7 4 7, here two numbers are repeating, right? If the number is like this, we have to multiply by 100. If the three numbers are repeating, we have to multiply by 1000. So in the equation number 1, which term is repeating? Here only 6 is repeating. Only one number is repeating. Now we have to multiply both left side and right side by 10. So when you multiply x into 10 on the left side, and in the same way 0.666 into 10 on the right side, we are getting 10x on the left side, x into 10, that is 10x. In the same way here 0.666 into 10, that is 6.66. When you multiply any decimal number by 10, this decimal will go one step right side. If you multiply with 100, that will come here. If you multiply with 1000, that will come here. Now we are multiplying by 10, so this decimal will come here. That will become 6.66. So right side 0.66 into 10, that is 6.66. So this we have to take as, after the multiplication, what answer we are getting, this one we have to take as equation number 2. Next step is we have to subtract equation number 1 by equation number 2. Both left side and right side. This term we have to subtract by this term. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So what is there in left side of the equation number 2? 10x minus x. If the number is not there, means that is 1. 10x minus 1x, that is 9x. Here 6.666 minus 0.666, that is 6. 10x minus 9x, that is 9x. Here 6.666 minus 0.666, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, and 6 minus 0 6. After the decimal, if you have 0, no need of writing that, we can write only 6. So 9x is equal to 6, but we need the value of x, right? We don't need the value of 9x. So 9 that will coming this side when you simplify, because you have 9 into x, that means multiplication. When we are taking 9 to this side, that will become division. So x will become 6 by 9. So this is the p by q form of 0.666. Here you can stop the problem, or you can further simplify. This we can divide further. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again we can write x as 2 by 3. So here you can simplify in this form, or you can write this one also. Both are correct. This is the p by q form of 0.6 dash. Let's say this question 0.47 dash. Here which term is repeating? Dash means only 7 is repeating. Here 4 is not having dash, only 7 is having dash. So here 7 is repeating many times. We can write 0.47 dash as 0.4777 dot dot dot. That means 7 is repeating many times, that this term is non-terminating. 7 is repeating many times. So here which term is repeating? Only 7 is repeating, only one term is repeating. So in the same, we solved the previous one, we have to multiply both left side and right side by 10. First we took here as x as 0.477, then multiply both side by 10. Then when we multiply x into 10, then 0.477 into 10, that is on the right side, we are getting x into 10, that is 10x, and in the same way 0.477 into 10. I told in the previous problem, when you multiply any number with 10, decimal will go one step right side. Here we have decimal here. When we multiply with the 10, decimal will come here. So that will become 4.777 dash. So here we are getting 4.7777 dot dot dot. So this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Next step what we have to do? Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So what is there in the equation number 2? 10x. Left side we have 10x, here we have x. In the right side in the equation number 2 we have 4.777, here we have 0.4777. When we subtract equation number 2 by equation number 1, we are getting left side 9x, 10x minus 1x. X is not having the number, means that is 1x. If the number is not there, that means that is 1x. 10x minus 1x, that is 9x. In the same way here 4.77 minus 0.477. 4.777 minus 0.477. Here we have to subtract, right? 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Then decimal here 4 minus 0 4. Here we are getting answer 4.3. The right side we are getting 4.3 and the left side we are getting 9x. 10x minus 1x is 9x. 4.777 minus 0.477, that is 4.3. Then we have to, we don't need this 9, right? 9 will come this side. When multiplication come to this side, that will become division. So x is 4.3 divided by 9. X is 4.3 divided by 9. But in the question they have given, right, p and q should be integers. Here whether 4.3 is integer, 4.3 is not the integer, that is a decimal. So we have to convert this decimal into integer. How can we convert decimal into integer? Here we have 4.3 divided by 9. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. Why we are multiplying by 10? When we multiply it by 10, this decimal come here, right? So it will become 43. So we are multiply by 10. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. When we multiply 4.3 by 10, that will become 43. Decimal will come right side. In the same way, when we multiply 9 into 10, that is 90. So here we will get the answer x is equal to 43 by 90. If you are not getting the decimal point here you will finish the problem. But in the question they have given p and q must be integers. So this is not the integers. So we have to convert that into integer. How we are converting that integer? We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10 here. So here we get the answer. Here 43 also integer, 90 also integer. This is the rational form of 0.477. P by Q form or rational form of 0.4777. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0.47 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 7 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು 10 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 10 ನಮಗೆ 10x ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 0.4777 ಇಂಟು 10 4.777 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. 10x minus 1x 9x. In the same way here 4.777 minus 0.4777 ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4.3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 500 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 9 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9x ಅಂದರೆ 9 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೀನ್ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4.3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 9 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4.3 ಅದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 43 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 90 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಖಾಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ 10 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 43 ಬಂದು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 90 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ 0.4777 dash. Now let's see this question where we have 0.001. So here how many numbers are repeating? Here 3 numbers are repeating. In the previous question I told the one number is repeating, we have to multiply with 10. The 2 number is repeating, we have to multiply with 100. The 3 numbers are repeating, we have to multiply with 1000, right? So first write what is 0.001? 0.001 is 0.001001. This term will repeat again and again. This is non-terminating. So what is the first step of this question? First we have to write this 0.001 as x. First write 0.001001 as x. This is the first step of the problem. Then here 3 numbers are repeating 001, so we have to multiply both left side and right side by 1000. 3 numbers are repeating means we have to multiply by 1000. So x into 1000 on the left side. In the same way right side we have to multiply 0.001001 by 1000. So when you multiply x into 1000 we are getting 1000x. In the same way when you multiply 0.001001 by 1000 we are getting 1.001001. Why 1.001? See here 0.001001 we have to multiply by 1000. So when we multiply by 10, this point will come here, right? Decimal will come here. When we multiply with 100, decimal will come here. When we multiply with 1000, decimal will come here, right? So that is 1.001001. This term will repeat again. So when we multiply 0.001001 by 1000, this decimal point will go 3 separate side. That will become 1.001001. So what is the next step? Next step is we have to subtract equation number 2 minus equation number 1, both side, left side and right side. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So when you subtract 1000x minus 1x, if the number is not there means that is 1x. 1000x minus 1x, that is 999x. In the right side when you subtract 1.001001 minus 0.001001, see here 1.001 subtract 0.001 1 minus 1 0 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 minus 0 1. If the 0 is there after the decimal, no need of writing that. So answer is 1 here. So right side we are getting 1. So we have to find the value of x. So 999 that will come to right side. 999 into x. So 99 when it come to right side that will become division. So 1 divided by 999. Value of the 0.001 in the P by Q is 1 by 999. Now let's see the next question. Express 0.999 in the P by Q form. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer makes sense. So the same as this problem which we solved, we have to solve this question also. So first we have to take 0.99 as x, right? Here one number is repeating, so we have to multiply both sides by 10. So when we multiply x into 10, we are getting 10x. When we multiply 0.99 into 10, we are getting 9.99. So here only one number is repeating 9, so we multiplied both left side and right side by 10. Now what is the next step? Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. 10x minus x, that is 10x minus 1x, 9x. In the same way, 9.999. Here equation number 2 minus equation number 1. 9.999 minus 0.999. We are getting answer 9. So right. So 10x minus x is 9x. 9.999 minus 0.999, that is 9. But when we take this 9 to right side, we are getting answer 1. So I see here we got the answer x as 1, 0.999. When we wrote in the p by q form, we are getting answer 1, or you can write as 1 by 1 also, right? 1 by 1. Here x is 9 by 9. X is 9 by 9. So in the p by q form, we can write as 9 ones are 9 ones are, that is 1 by 1, that is nothing but 1. So when we write 1 in the p by q form also, we are writing 1 by 1, right? So 0.99 answer is also 1 by 1. 1 answer is also 1 by 1. So how can the different two number having the same answer? So this is a confusing, right? Here 0.999 nothing but that is only 0.00000001 less than the 1. That is very few number less than 1. So we can write 0.999 as 1 because that is very much near to 1. So 0.999. For example, see here 0.9999. If you add 0.0001, we are getting here 1 only. So here waiting 1. So only this much difference is there. Only fraction of very small difference is there. So 0.999 also we can write as 1. So this answer is justified. So don't be confused that how different two number is having same the p by q form. 0.999 is very much close to 1. Only few very little difference is there. So 0.99 also we can write as 1 by 1, or 1 also we can write as 1 by 1. This is all about today's video. Let's solve remaining problem in the next video. Thank you.